Welcome to JavaScript Academy. Today we're going to take a look at a fundamental building block for programming languages, variables. You can look at variables like containers or boxes. We use variables to store data values in them. These values can be, for example, texts, numbers, or logical values like true or false. When we create a variable, we give it a name, and after that we can use this name to refer to the value that we put inside. Think of it like labeling a box. For example, we can create a variable and call it mydog, which is supposed to reflect my dog's name, and store the value Milo in it. Now we can use mydog in our code to refer to the text Milo. Before we can use variables, we have to create them. Creating a variable in JavaScript is called declaring a variable. There are three keywords that we can use: var, let, and const. We will cover the differences between them in a separate video. After the declaration, the variable has no value. If we want to store some kind of value in that, we have to assign the value to the variable. We call this process defining a variable. You can declare or define multiple variables in a single line, but you have to separate them with commas. Let's jump into the editor and let's see the variables in action. Let's first create the mydog variable. We can print out the value of a variable to the command line with the console.log function. Let's check what the value of mydog is. We expect Milo to appear on the command line. To run our script, first navigate to the folder you are currently working in and type node and the name of your file with JS extension. Be sure that Node.js is installed on your system. We use the var keyword to define our variable, but we could use either let or const in this example. Let's use let for the rest of the example. Let's create variable a with a value of 5 and variable b with a value of 4. Now let's create variable c and make it equal to the sum of a and b. Let's check the value of c with the console.log function. We expect 9 to appear on the command line. And this is how you define variables and use basic arithmetics with them. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. If you found it useful or learned anything new, please consider subscribing to this channel. You can also drop a like if you wish and leave feedback in the comment section below. I see you folks in the next video.